With 1 week to go, I guess I should start to think about what I'm going to be bringing. And I'm going to be bringing this with me. And this has got like pots and pans and stuff for camping. Do you think I'm really going to use this stuff? I mean, I guess I could make like beans or things in this. So I guess I'll bring this. Then what do I put it on the fire? I don't know. This has a lot of importance to me because I brought this last year on Mexo Morada, and as far as I'm concerned, unless you have the metal blue with white speckle cup, it's really not a camping trip, and this was mandatory, so I will be bringing this with me, and hopefully I'll use this. Now I have to go camping at least a couple days now for sure, right?